Hey everybody, how we doing? The RowdyDawg. Boo! Hey guys. RowdyDawg, how y'all doing? I'm down in the dog house. Look at this. Vasson, however you want to say it. That's the brand name. This is a cool compressed air duster. And here it is right here. This is a cordless. Got a USB charging, little charging port right there. This thing will charge from completely out to fully charged in about 3 hours. And man, this thing will get it. Look at all these different attachments. You've got a little brush attachment. Here's one for inflating balls and air mattresses and so forth. Here's one, here's a little brush, you know, little detail brush for you there. And here's a broad tip for, you know, blowing lots of big stuff. And I want y'all to hear this thing blow. Okay, you turn it on for a few seconds. Okay, here it's on low. There's the battery indicator to tell you how much battery you got. Now listen, here that's low. And that's medium. And that's high. I mean, it's putting out some air now. Watch this. See that's blowing there? That's powerful. I don't even have a nozzle on it. You put it on, you have these snap-on nozzles. There, that's really going to concentrate that air. Whoa. Look at how that blows. Here, I'll tell you what. Here. That gets after it. I've got a bunch of leaves out here. Let me turn this off a minute. You got to hold it down and it'll turn itself off. I'm going to take it out here, take you guys with me. We'll blow some leaves. I got, man, piles of leaves everywhere. And we'll see how good it does on these leaves. Let's go do it right now. Hold on, I'm going to take you off my tripod here. We're going to go out back here. Let me get my door unlocked. Okay, look at all this debris over here. I got debris everywhere. I hadn't had a chance to clean it up, so I'm going to turn this on. Here we go right here. Let's turn it on. And there's low. There's medium. There's high. Well, watch this, how this does these leaves. That's pretty good. That's pretty dang good. That's pretty dang good. Here's some more right here. Hold on, let me turn you around. That's pretty good for a little duster. Guys, that thing works good. I like it. You know what it's going to be good for? For me, it's going to be good for sweeping the debris out from back door of my shop. It's going to be good for keyboards. Going to be good for my laptop. Let's see if I can do this right here. 2, 3. Now watch this. And you clean your laptop up, get all kinds of debris. Yeah, heck yeah. That's going to come in very handy. Anyway, guys, hope you didn't get seasick with me moving you around all the way. But neat little product. I like it. I'm going to get some use out of it. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. I tell you what, there's a bunch of these being sold. I think it says there's like 3,000 of these sold already every month on Amazon. So these are pretty popular little items. Anyway, guys, there's the brand. Go check them out. The old RowdyDawg is signing off. See ya.